The video you're about to watch is going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create digital collectibles on PassCard.ai using personal photos so that you can share them with your family and friends both on Listia and off of Listia. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hello everyone, today we're going to do a little walkthrough on what you can do on PassCard.ai. First thing you're going to want to do is go to PassCard.ai and log in. As you can see here, there are a few things you can now do on PassCard.ai. Today we're going to be creating some pass cards to share some memories with our friends and or family. So yeah, first thing you're going to want to do is log in. Type in the email address that's linked to your Listia account if you are a Listia member. That way, after you create your pass cards, they will go right into your digital wallet on your Listia account. So after you log in, you want to go ahead and create your free pass card. Create a card. You want to create a new collection. Today, I'm going to create a collection for my hike that I did recently in the morning in SF. I'm going to title it Morning Hike in SF. Go next. And what you're going to want to do is we're going to upload pictures that I took and send them out to my friends. So first thing we're going to do is upload a file. Select the first image. And as that is uploading, we're going to go ahead and give it a name. Beautiful photo. I'm going to title this one View of San Francisco. Spelling correct there. Perfect. Quantity, I only have one friend. It's myself. So, we're going to add a little description. And here you can add what the photo is of, where it was, what time of day or year, anything you want to, any information you want to give to your friends and family that received this card. Type that in. So whoever receives this card will see the photo and they'll see that description. And then, as with any pass card, you can add social media links or any other links you want to share with your friends and family. I'm not going to add any links today. Double check, make sure everything looks good. And go ahead and create this pass card. Now, creation could take up to a few minutes. I fast forward a little bit so we don't have to wait through it. I want to create one more. I want to give two examples of how to deliver your pass card. So we'll go ahead and create another one real quick. Use the same collection. Upload another photo. Let's go and give it a name / title. It's me reaching the top of the hill. Beautiful view. Again, one friend to send it to. Quick little description. This is a good way to create, memories and share them with your friends. Please do not share any personal information. Most of all this information is on the blockchain, so it is searchable by the public. So you never want to share any sort of personal information when creating these. All right, the first way we're going to send it is via email from PassCard.io. Sorry, PassCard.ai. Type in your friend's or a family member's email address. Transfer it out. Transfer. Again, this takes a few minutes. It's transferred, and let's go back and set up a claim link here. Scroll down. Now this claim link is to include this PassCard specifically for this link to send to your friends and family who you want to share this PassCard with. So I'm going to include this one. There's only one quantity. Once your friends and family receive this via text or any social media or however you want to share it, they just click the link and the PassCard will be there and they'll be able to claim it, and then it will be in their digital wallet for them to enjoy or share with others if they choose to. I hope this is a fun way for everyone to start sharing their PassCards.